Hey folks, Ray Tracye here with Learning the Keto Way, and what I thought I'd do today is teach you how to make my fermented chili sauce. So what I got here, see, I've got the ingredients: celery, red bell pepper. Now these are interesting. I don't know what these are. These are some sort of like gigantic habanero pepper, Himalayan sea salt, and then also, and this is kind of optional if you want, this is bonito flake or fish flake, and what this is dried mackerel shaved off into flakes. Or you can also use fish sauce. But what I'm going to do is show you how to make this. This is using the lactic acid fermentation process to make this chili sauce, and you just cure it right in your own pantry or kitchen or wherever. Now this is a jar that I got at Walmart. It was $6, and this is an actual perfect jar to ferment my sauce. I'm cleaning everything off. I want to get every bit I can. Now I have 3 peppers here, so I'm going to try to fill this whole jar up with my sauce. Okay folks, here's the finished product. This is my hot sauce. Now, it's been about 24 hours since I've made it, and you can see here there's, some condensation going on. But what I wanted to show you, let's see if we can see that here. It doesn't need to be refrigerated or anything like that. And you can see the liquids are starting to build and starting the lactic acid fermentation process here. Stirring it, you can kind of see little bubbles kind of forming. In a couple days, this will definitely be bubbly. But what you want to do is every day, a couple times a day, just stir it up, so that you don't get any skin or something growing on the top. That's what you do. And about 4 or 5 days, this will be ready to be, jarred up, or you can let it, ferment even longer. It's up to you. It'll get more vinegary tasting, and eventually it'll stop fermenting once it gets to a certain vinegar state. The longer that you let it ferment, the more pungent, more tangy, and earthy that it gets. And it may get a little hotter too. It might concentrate the heat. But here it is. This is my fermented chili sauce, and it tastes good. Yeah. Let's give it a taste here. See? Really good. You can definitely taste the roasted flavor in, because I roasted the chilies. You can taste the salt because, you need the salt so it can start fermenting. I can taste in the very background a hint of the bonito flakes. So a little bit, just a smidge of that fish taste. But it's and I don't want to say sweet. It isn't sweet, but it definitely has a really good savory taste. The roast comes through. The taste of the peppers come through. My mouth is a little bit on fire, but not much. And I'm one who really doesn't like heat. I don't see why being tortured to eat. It's very flavorful, and you have this nice warm taste going on in your mouth, and it's really good. Now in a couple of days this will even be better, because then it'll start getting that tangy, pungent, fermented taste. This is just 24 hours old, and it tastes really good. This would be good on eggs. It would be good on basically any meat. But this is insane tasting. So I really encourage you guys to make this and try it out yourself. Try different variables. Try different chilies. We're going to try serrano peppers next, and making a chili sauce with serrano peppers. After you're done with making your chili, what you can do is, once it's done fermenting, then you do add your vinegar to it, and vinegar it to taste. You don't want to add too much or too little or something, but vinegar it to what you like tasting wise. And then what you can do is use an immersion blender to make it more of a sauce versus a kind of ground up chili is what I've got here. But you can do an immersion blender and make it even smoother if you want to, and put it in a bottle and actually use it as a shaker sort of bottle. That's my chili sauce. Hopefully you like it, and give it a try at home yourself, and we'll see you later, folks. Keto One.